Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing good and fine. Today we are going to study a very important topic for your SEM 1, that is your digestion, absorption and metabolism. This will come for the 4 marks, okay? So what do you mean by the digestion? Digestion of polysaccharide begins in the mouth. First of all, of course, we will eat, right? Then the digestion will begin in the mouth by the enzymes known as phytin and alpha amylase. It may continue till the gastric acidity inactivates the enzyme in the stomach. Now, we will talk about the polysaccharides partially hydrolyzed by the pancreatic amylase. Now your food will go to the stomach. Now it will be hydrolyzed by the pancreatic amylase. We are saying simple. Next, we are saying disaccharides such as lactase and sucrose. Lactose and sucrose are hydrolyzed by the enzyme lactase and sucrase by the intestinal juices. Now the rate of digestion influenced by the final particle size. जो डाइजेशन है वो जो है ना अपना कौन डिसाइड करता है, वो जो फाइनल पार्टिकल साइज है उन डिसाइड करेंगे कितना कितना जल्दी होता है डाइजेशन या फिर कितना स्लो होता है डाइजेशन. ओके, लाइक रॉ स्टार्चेस फ्रॉम सेरल्स इज पास्ता इज डाइजेस्टेड स्लो. ओके, the cereals and we can say pasta is digested slow, whereas the banana and potato show greater degree of resistance. Yes. Next, now I think you will eat bread, right? So suppose if the bread is made by the flour by adding a very little amount of water, so it will cause a slow digestion. And if the bread is make or bake by the help of a lot of water, so it will help in the rapid digestion of food. Getting my point? Now we are seeing digestion, absorption and metabolism. Digestion we have completed. Now it's about absorption. Carbohydrates are absorbed into the bloodstream as glucose, galactose and fructose in the form of carbohydrates. जो अपन चावल खाते, the rice we eat, that is nothing but your carbohydrates. Getting my point? It is absorbed in the directly into the bloodstream. उन लोग directly खून में चल जाएंगे and to give energy as galactose, glucose और fructose में चले जाएंगे उन लोग. ठीक है, these are simple sugars and are transported to the liver. अब उन लोग क्या करेंगे, liver में चल जाएंगे. They will go to the liver and convert it into the glycogen. Then for storage, of course for the storage, right, and reconverted the glucose which is needed by the body. Example, at the time of fever, so the what we call glucose is stored in the liver, and when our body is suffering from anything and we don't want to eat anything, like everything is tasteless, so these all stored food material is used in the body by itself. Getting my point? Now which causes the rate of absorption higher? Okay, the rate of absorption of different monosaccharides are glucose 100%, it will get absorbed like just like this, 100%, fructose 43%, xylose 50%, raffinose 9%. Okay, the absorption of glucose is affected by the amount of sodium ion Na plus ions into the intestine. If Na plus, higher amount of Na plus facilitate glucose absorption. If the Na plus is good in your body, then it will absorb very fast, the glucose will absorb very fast. If the sodium ions is very less, so it will stop the absorption. Getting my point? We have completed the digestion and absorption. Getting my point? Now in digestion we have studied, if you add a lot of water, it will rapid digestion will occur, and if you add a little water, it will cause a slow digestion. And for the absorption, if there is a more amount of sodium ions, it causes rapid absorption. If there is a low amount of sodium ion, it inhibits, stop the digestion, absorption, sorry. And then metabolism. First, we will talk about the direct utilization. Glucose can be utilized by all the tissues of the body. It helps in the releasing the energy to form ATPs, of course, to release the useful energy, which is possible by the glycolysis or Krebs cycle, releasing 38 ATP molecules. Now, conversion of glycogen. Of course, when we are converting the glycogen, we are taking from carbohydrate itself. Carbohydrate help in the synthesis of liver and muscle glycogen. That is mainly used by the muscle and liver glycogen for storage. Mainly it is glycogen is used for the storage as well. Now conversion of excess amount of carbohydrate from the diet is converted into fat. That's why people say if you want to get slim, cut your carbohydrate, because it forms a layer of fat in your body and deposited as adipose tissue in the body. So this excessive amount of carbohydrate from the diet is converted into fat and deposited as the adipose tissue in your body. So less down the carbs if you want a slim structure of your body. Okay, thank you.